In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect a wireless mouse to a laptop step by step. So this is the mouse that we're using, the wireless mouse. It's a dual mode mouse, okay, meaning it can use a receiver as well as Bluetooth. Okay, as you can see, BT then off as well as the receiver. So you have to make sure that we toggle this, move this to the Bluetooth aspect, okay, right there. So it's in the Bluetooth aspect, that's the BT. Now, once we have done that, head to the laptop. Now, click this start button, then head to settings. Okay, when you head to settings, you're going to look for Bluetooth. Okay, click Bluetooth, then please endeavor to make sure that Bluetooth is actually turned on right there. Make sure it's turned on, and then head to the option of devices. Okay, and make sure you go to the option of add device. Okay, click right there, and then you should go to that Bluetooth path right there. So the mouse is actually named as a BT 5.4 mouse. So what you do, click it. Okay, you can see it's connecting, and then it's connected. Your device is ready to go. Okay, then you're going to move down where you see the option of done. Click on done. Okay, now as you can see, this is the wireless mouse. When you look on the screen of the laptop, you will see the cursor moving. Okay, yeah, as you can see, we've been able to connect a wireless mouse to a laptop in this video. You see that? Yep. If you like such content, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. It really means a lot. Catch you in the next one.